Hello YouTube, my name is Bhaveshwani and in this video we will discuss about the C programming languages. So let's begin. Do you want to become a software developer or develop a software in the future? So the C programming language will help you to build your logic in the sense the thinking power of your. Okay, then let's start with the C programming language. But before starting with the C programming language, you should know the types of programming languages. So we discuss about the programming languages. There are n numbers of programming languages like Visual Basic .NET, Java, HTML, Kotlin, and C, C++, and many more. Okay. So the types of programming language are divided into three types. So first type is procedural programming language, second type is structural programming language, and third is object oriented programming language. Okay, then what do you mean by procedural programming languages? Okay, the procedural programming languages means the program had to follow some instruction to give the desired output. Okay, that is, the program has the starting stage and the number of instruction to perform and the ending stage. Okay, then what do you mean by the structural programming languages? So the structural programming languages were created because the large code were difficult to understand. So due to the structural programming language, the large code were divided into the small pieces of code so that it could be easily understand to you and others. So, and the third is the object oriented programming languages. The object oriented programming languages are the most powerful and new. In the object oriented programming languages, C++ and Python, C# is object oriented programming languages because they are very strong. Okay, the procedural programming languages, Fortran and Basic. Okay, so this is the type of the programming languages. Now the next topic, history of the C. In 1960, COBOL were used for commercial purpose and Fortran was used for engineering. Okay, then Algol 60 was developed, but the problem with the Algol 60 is too abstract and too general. Okay, then CPL, that is combined programming language, was developed in Cambridge University, but the problem with CPL is that is too specific and too harder to learn. So then the BCPL was introduced. Then the BCPL also have that problem that it was very hard to learn and too specific and very less powerful of programming languages. Okay, then B was developed. The same B also holds that it is very general and too harder to learn. Then the scientist Sir Dennis Ritchie developed the C programming languages from B and BCPL. They took the positive points from these two programming languages and developed his own programming languages, that is C programming languages. So this was the history of the C. But as the software engineer or software developer, you should know this history for nothing but for the general knowledge of your. Okay, this is not important, but it is important for your general knowledge. Your general knowledge should also develop. Now next topic is applications area of C programming languages. C programming languages is the high level languages, and the advantages of the C programming languages is that it is a combination of high level language and the machine level language. So C programming language is used to develop the software like Windows, Linux, and the real life softwares like calculator, etc. So C programming language is very necessary for developing a software. So moving further, our next topic is getting started with the C. Getting started with the C, to write the small program, you should know the identifier, keywords, data type, and so on. These are called as tokens. If you are the school going kids and you have the subject C programming languages in your school, then the tokens is the very important topic to you. The definition of token is very important to you, because in the many exams they ask explain the tokens. Oh, that's good for you that you are watching this video and listen carefully. What do you mean by the tokens? This token is the smallest individual unit in the program, is called as tokens. Okay. Now, character set of the C programming languages. Character set of the C programming language generally consists of alphabet, number system, and some special symbol. Alphabet from capital letter A to Z and small letter A to Z, and from digit 0 to 9, and some special symbols like @ slash, semicolon, double quotation mark, single quotation marks, and many more. Okay, now in the C programming language, the character set, capital alphabets and small alphabets are generally used to give the variable name, giving variable name. So the capital A have a different meaning and the small a also have a different meaning. Okay, these are the all character sets of the C programming languages.